The National Institute of Fashion Technology Shillong, a pioneer institute in fashion education of Northeast India, is hosting a two-day craft bazaar at the Nift campus in Umsauli, Maupat. Inspired by the Swadeshi movement of the father of the nation, M.K. Gandhi, the event showcased a diverse range of handloom and handicrafts from Northeast India. About 14 stalls are exhibiting and selling exquisite works of 22 artisans and weavers from Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya, with products like cane bamboo, jewelry, handloom, weaving, embroidery, dry flowers, black pottery, textiles and many more. Speaking on the occasion, Haj Dorung, Director of Textiles and Handicrafts, Government of Arunachal, said that Arunachal Pradesh had tried to have some activities and he recently submitted the proposal to have activities with Nift Shillong, and if the government approves, they will have a program with this institution.
Because individually, artisans, individually, weavers, artisans, it is combined with their design. It is combined with their traditional. That is some diversification, some diverse product with the motive of the traditional touch of the tribe. Then only we can have the product, more product, we can have the other product in the common market.
And now for the weather report. The maximum